All right, I needed to make one last video to talk about two different things. Number one is, I just, sorry, I just lost my train of thought. Number one is, I actually will not be your teacher for the next semester. It is going to be Miss G or Miss Gavhard. The course in itself will still stay the same. Nothing will change about the course other than instead of having my info over here in this bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll have hers. Everything else will be all the same. And then other than that, the only thing that will change is it will be her one-on-one meeting sessions every day. The videos and stuff will all still be mine. She will post in the Google, or she'll post in the updates every single day. It's just, she's going to be taking over the class just so that I have more time for my in-person classes. So again, she will have her own office hours, so these office hours will change. You'll still be able to come to night school for tutoring if you would like to, but I just wanted to let you know that. The second thing is, and I'm going to make my screen big for this, is, again, we are offering an extension for anyone who would like it over fall break, okay? So the quarter ends on Tuesday, tomorrow. If you are passing with a 60, you don't need an extension, okay? So if you are already passing with a 60, you will pass this class, the grade will go inside, you're done, okay? You don't need an extension. Anyone who does not have a 60 will be offered an extension. That means you have until the 18th, which is through your fall break, to get your grade up to that 60. Okay. However, if you would like to do the extension, and I know that I mentioned this in the previous email, or the previous lesson where there was a little question that said, tell me yes or no. I need you to officially email me at pjwishton, at aurorak12.org. I need you to email me and say, I would like to do the extension. Okay, I just have to have a record that you are agreeing to the extension, that you're going to work as much as you can on it. You can reach out to me occasionally and see if I can help you. I'm not going to be available all day, every day. So you will need to reach out to me ahead of time and say, hey, I need help tomorrow or something like that. But I will be available during some of the time. But if you would like to be involved in the extension, you have to email me today or tomorrow and say, yes, I would like to do the extension, or please let me do the extension, whatever the case may be. If I do not get an email from you, you will not be involved in the extension. If I get an email from you and you're already passing the class with a 60 or above, you don't need to do the extension, so that won't be options. Again, this is for any student who does not have a 60 by tomorrow, especially if you're within that 40 and 50 range. You've done a lot of work, just not enough to get up to that passing grade yet. I would really take advantage of this and get, a couple extra assignments done over the next couple of days. Obviously, if you're within like a 20 or below, you're going to have to work very hard over the next week in order to get that done, okay? But I need you guys to email me, I would like to do the extension, okay? And then I will respond to you and say, perfect, you are in the extension, this is your time frame, all that fun stuff, okay? And again, I want to make sure you watch this video. So at the very end of this video, there's a question that says, what is my favorite color? Not your favorite color, but mine, and that is blue. B-L-U-E. All right.